Okay, so I've put this up here, your equations, part of your problem, so that you can see this is what I see. So I'm assuming that this is 5x to the third plus 7.5x squared. So that's how I'm going to solve this equation. All right, so it says that the volume can be, that's the volume. So the volume equals of the shipping container, where x is the length of the, where it says x is the length of the shipping container. So x equals the width. It says that the length of the shipping container is 5 times the width. So length is 5x because it's 5 times the width. Write the expression that represents the height.